welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaurya Shed Superstar, and please subscribe to my channel, like and share as well, and also don't forget to press the notification bell and also subscribe to my other two channels. So I'm gonna start this video. This video is just a basic cricket tutorial for beginners. So this cricket tutorial is basically about how to hold the bat, how to play front foot shots, back foot defense, and how to stand on your stance. And yeah, that's what today's video this video is about. So let's start. So first, grip. How to hold the bat. So how to hold the bat? So we hold the bat like this. See, this is a bat. Okay, I take a tick kind of. This is like a tick sign, tick, and just put it over here on this area on the bottom part, and I close it. So this is my bottom hand. Okay, because I am a righty, my right hand is my bottom hand and my left hand is my top hand. So I then put my top hand just over here like this. That's the grip. Some people, they do this, which is actually wrong. It has to stay like this on this area. So this is a perfect grip. Okay, now we have learned the grip. Now about the stance. So the stance is very, very important if we're gonna play cricket. The stance has to be like this. Our feet should not be together or very wide. It should just be normal like this. And we face our bowler, not anywhere else. Our bat should be straight like this, and our head should be facing to the bowler. We have mastered the stance. Now about the backlift. Backlift is very important, I tell you, because with the higher backlift, the more power you can generate to make the ball go further. So backlift, we've got our stance. We stand in our stance. We don't put our bat down like this because then no power will be generated. We put our bat high up like this and be ready for the ball. And as soon as the ball comes, we move our feet and we drive it through. Okay, now we have mastered the backlift. Now time to master front foot. Okay, so we are ready on our stance. The ball is coming and it's going in very full, coming straight towards us. We have to be ready and dip our shoulder like this, push our left foot forward like this. It's called a front foot stride, a long front foot stride, and we should dip our shoulder like this. And as soon as the ball comes closer to us, we take our bat from high up and bring it down. This is called a downswing. If we want to defend, we just do it like this. We hold it. If we want to hit for sixes and loft, we go like this. We bring it up. Look at the difference. That's for defense. This is fighting a six. And for driving, it is just like a defend, but just bringing it closer. Now, so we have mastered front foot shots. Now for back foot. When the ball comes short to you and it's coming around this height, you can go on the front foot and pull. But if you want to go on the back foot, what is a back foot? Back foot is the same. You have to be on your stance, and as soon as the ball comes to your chest, you have to go back, push back from your right leg, push back, go deep in your crease and bring your front foot forward and push. boom. So the main thing about this is putting the weight on your back foot, your right foot. The weight should be on your right foot. In front foot, the weight we dip our shoulders because the weight is we put weight on our left foot. But in this, we put weight on our right foot. So we go back, we push back. Push back. To play any shot, first you have to dip your shoulder like this. But when you know that, okay, this is a very good tip. If you know, okay, this ball is coming to my chest, it's coming close to my chest, you go quickly, you react quickly and go back and push it. You can play various shots like this. Horizontal bat, vertical bat of the back foot. And yeah, that's back foot. Okay, we have mastered grip, stance, back lift, front foot and back foot. Now last thing we're gonna master is going advance. Stepping out of your crease. This could be very dangerous but also effective. If the ball is flighted, so it is going in the air and it's gonna bounce somewhere, it's going really slowly in the air, you don't wait over here. You go step out and hit. You double step. So you just do this and hit. Yeah, so that's what you do. Just step out and hit it. One tip is, if it is flighted and you're stepping out, try your best to make it a full toss. It should not bounce. If you want to hit it, advance. If it bounces, the foot should be in line with the ball, outside line with the ball, so you can easily hit it. And if you miss a ball when you're advancing, you're out of your crease, so you have to quickly go back to your crease before the wicketkeeper stumps you. Go and you miss it, you quickly go back to your crease. So yeah, that's advanced. We have mastered all of the basic skills, and I hope you did well and you understood. So yeah, that's the end of the tutorial. So bye, see ya, and peace. This video is mainly for people who have already watched the previous cricket tutorial of Learn How to Bat. It is like has parts of Learn How to Bat included, that video, but also goes further into batting, like how to go and hit in advanced shots, more on the front foot, and yeah.